Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about the government tuning scholarship. I have made this word file to summarize the detail of this scholarship, and then we will also take a look on the web page as well. So 2025 UK government tuning scholarship fully funded. UK government tuning scholarship is a fully funded scholarship to undertake any master's course at any UK university. The tuning scholarship awards are designed to cover the full cost of studying a master's degree in UK, including any additional accommodation, visa, travel expenses you may incur as an international student. This post will provide comprehensive insight into details and requirements, step-by-step application guide for interested applicants. Okay. So the summary of the scholarship is the host country will be United Kingdom, UK. You will study in UK. Categories are postgraduate scholarship and master's scholarship. Eligible, all countries are eligible to apply for this scholarship, and it is full-time, fully funded scholarship, monthly stipend. It will cover your accommodation and your air tickets and provide free visa. The application will open on August 6, 2024, and the application deadline is 5 November 2024. Now the UK government tuning scholarship details. Tuning scholarships are UK government's global scholarship program funded by the Foreign and Commonwealth Office and partner organizations. The program offers awards to outstanding scholars with leadership potential from around the world to study for master's degree in any subject at any UK university. Chinglish scholarships are aimed at international postgraduates with high leadership potential, enabling them to study in masters at a British university and develop useful professional and academic network. Okay, these connections can be used to build strong relationship with UK and make positive impact in your home country as well. Now eligibility requirements of UK government tuning scholarship. You should be a citizen of eligible tuning country. Okay, we'll see which countries are eligible to apply. Okay, hold an undergraduate degree equivalent to UK 2.1 upper class honor, have 2 years of work experience, have an unconditional offer for masters at UK university, have completed all the components of undergraduate degree that will enable you to gain entry into postgraduate program at a UK university by time you submit your application. Now I already have master's degree can apply for tuning scholarship. For example, if you have already, then yes, having master's degree does not prevent you applying for tuning award to study for second master's degree in UK, as well as you can clearly explain why it will help you fulfilling your career plan in to influence positive change in your home country. Benefits of UK government tuning scholarship. What are the benefits? What are the coverage? Okay, master's course in UK you will get, okay, typically last for 2 years, which is shorter than many other countries. Now here in China, the master's course is 3 years, approximately 3 years. Okay, successful candidate get following: full payment, full master's tuition fee, payment for travel to and from UK, and payment for visa application fees, monthly living allowance for accommodation and expenses. This amount will be confirmed in your acceptance letter and will be higher if you are studying in London. You may also receive an event travel top allowance to contribute towards cost of traveling to many mandatory tuning events which are usually held in London. Required documents are: you should have admission offer to a UK university, reference letter, recommendation transcripts, degree certificate, personal statement, scholarship essays, and English language proficiency certificate. The deadlines for these required documents are Chevening application timeline. Use updated application button about to upload them. Okay, if you have any conditional selected Chevening scholarship, it is essential that you submit these documents in order to remain in process. So you need to have these documents to apply for the Chevening scholarship, UK government Chevening scholarship. Okay, frequently asked questions, you can take a look here. To prepare for Chevening interview, go through application, make research on and practice common interview question. Be true to interview panel, speak confidently, and most importantly, dress well. Can I apply for Chevening scholarship with 2 ratio 2? Yes. 2 ratio 2 government degree backed with strong master's degree or postgraduate diploma. However, minimum GPA requirements is equivalent of UK upper class to ratio 1. Okay. Can I apply for Chevening without IELTS? Yes. Many Chevening scholarship partner universities do not require IELTS, such as school accept a degree from university whose medium of instruction is English or letter of English proficiency. So have you got it? You don't need else to apply for this scholarship. Can I live in UK after achieving scholarship? Achieving scholars are expected to return their home country after their study. This is to enable them to contribute their knowledge to development of their country. How we can apply? You can come to that web page now. Okay, this is apply button, but we can take a look further details here. August 6th, they will open their application as I have discussed. 5 November will be application deadline. And 6 November application are shifted against eligible criteria. You can read further about chevening eligibility criteria by clicking on that link. Okay, it will take you that page. You will be eligible for chevening scholarship, must be citizen of eligible countries. You can click here to see which countries are eligible. So you can select here country, for example India is eligible, and Pakistan, Bangladesh, okay, Niger Nigeria is eligible, okay, and many other countries are also eligible to apply for this scholarship. Okay, now, and another thing is commit to returning your country for at least 2 years after scholarship ends. Have at least 2 years of work experience. Have hold undergraduate degree, and apply to three different eligible UK university courses. So this is the eligibility criteria. You are not eligible if you have these things. Okay, like these. If you're following these terms, then you are not eligible. Hold a British or dual British citizen, hold a refugee status in country, not eligible, have employee, former employee or relative to employee of UK government, have previously studied in UK, work experience requirement. Okay, so this is eligibility criteria. Now, mm, mid October 2024 to January 2025, Independent Reading Committee assess all the eligible applications, their score and ranking, and then pass back to local government embassies and high commissions. Applicant shortlisted for interview in mid-February 2025. Okay. Then 19th February 2025, referees and education documents are deadline. Shortlisted applicant will be requested to submit two references and their educational document period to their interview date. 26th February 2025, April 2025. Interviews take place. Candidates from all over the world are interviewed by panel at British embassies and high commissions. And from June 2025, result will be announced after a month of preparation. Successful candidate will experience when interview results are announced from June onwards. 11 July 2025, offer deadlines. Okay, deadline is receive and submit at least one unconditional UK university offer. And September October 2025, these are details. If you will have any question now, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to join our WhatsApp group, I have added the link in the description. And yeah, I wish all of you best of luck. Take care and bye bye.